Horses don't race in the flying derby. Well, there's a first time for everything, Amber.
Who's excited to try out for the flying derby team? Touch the person who's excited to try out for the team. Outstanding. Sofia's very excited to try out for the team.
Oh, be careful, Sofia. Are you all right?
Who's having a hard time reaching the top of the bell tower? Touch the... That's right. Minimus is having a hard time reaching the top of the bell tower. Who looks sad when her sister tells her to stop trying? Touch the person who looks sad. Yes, Sofia looks sad to hear she should stop trying.
Clover, I can't even make it to the finish line, and I only have one more day until the race. Thanks, guys. I'm going to keep trying. You ready, Minimus?
Ready for what? Turning around and going back to the stable? You bet. Great idea.
I'm not crossing the finish line without you.